Christmas, y'all. I don't think I told y'all in the last video, but this is Christmas video part 2. She's still at it opening presents and Mary's hopping all over the place.
I'm not.
That's okay, you can. And I'm about to, I got macaroni and cheese in the oven, greens on the stove. Oh, that's nice.
That's bad.
I'm about to peel the potatoes for my mashed potatoes, and then I'm about to make my meatloaf.
LED gaming keyboard.
And she got her LED headphones too.
Yeah.
So let me show you. See this cord right here?
Yes.
There's the potatoes. Just unplug the other cord and plug this one in where it goes. Lock that coffin in there.
I need to brush his teeth.
Okay, he's going to brush his teeth. Well, his tooth.
Where are you sure it's
Alright, y'all, so I just put my macaroni out the oven. It's currently like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Not that good. Alright, there's macaroni, greens. Hold on, let me get it to focus. Go this way. Greens, as you can see. Mashed potatoes are in there while my potatoes are boiling. To do some meatloaves. Some of them I'm wrapping in bacon. We're going to add our milk. My favorite, we're going to add some Hidden Valley Ranch. Okay, we're going to add some, salt. Pepper. Get this side. Maybe that's gonna mix all in. And we're gonna add some butter and mix. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit. And a little bit of onion powder as well. Boom. Just mix again. Hot. Ooh. Let's see it. Let them see your face. Sweetie, so I got my ground beef in here, and I'm just gonna take it and start breaking it up. This thing is huge. I was gonna split it and just have like burgers for another day this week and freeze it and have burgers for another day this week, but I'm like, I could just eat a meatloaf sandwich. That is a burger. That leftover meatloaf, put on a slice of bread, some mayonnaise, fire. All you need is the mayonnaise. But I'm just gonna keep breaking this up. And now that I have it broken up a little bit, I'm going to, hold on. I want to start adding my stuff in here. So I'm going to start with seasoned salt. Sprinkle it in there real good, get it real good. I'm going to mix it up and then season it some more. Seasoned salt, garlic powder, I'm being very lazy today, so I didn't cut no fresh onions, so I'm putting minced onions. Don't judge me. You still taste the onion and see the onion. So lazy today. Maybe not so much lazy, just tired. But let's go. All right, onion powder, I like to taste the seasonings in my food. Pepper. Okay, I'm gonna throw a little bit of Italian seasoning, not too much, just a little. All right, and next we're gonna need some ketchup. Ketchup, a little bit of mustard. Okay, and then we're gonna need some, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs in here. There's one, and yes, I'm cracking them with one hand because my beast is like, that's not even, it's not even nothing special. All right, 2 eggs. Okay, I got some Italian breadcrumbs, so I'm gonna sprinkle those in here. Let's see. Italian breadcrumbs. And I also got some panko breadcrumbs, so I'm gonna put some panko breadcrumbs in. Like that. Use your hands and mix it. All right, Amira's gonna hold the camera for me and I'm gonna mix. She probably wanted to mix. She wanted to mix, huh? Get in there. Get all in there. To make sure we got all the meat nicely seasoned. More seasonings and more breadcrumbs. Now, if my family wasn't so picky, I would put some peppers in here. But they are very picky, so we're not gonna do any peppers. And I wish I had some parsley for some color. But it's okay. Now I'm gonna smell this. Smell it and see. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more seasonings in here. See how the meat is like nice and bouncy now? Like it's just real nice and fluff. That egg and them breadcrumbs help it to stick together. Alright y'all, so now what we're going to do is wrap some of these in bacon strips. About to throw these in the oven. I started off at about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'll see how it looks at that mark. And if it needs longer time, I'll just put it on some more. But we'll see what it looks like in about 25-30 minutes. Alright, sweeties, so my meatloaf is done. I put some of the gravy on some of the plain ones, and I left some plain just in case, you know, we wanted to switch things up and get some red sauce. But there is the meatloaf with the bacon wrapped. I took the plain ones out, and then I broiled the ones that had the bacon on top. This one got bacon. I put a little bit of gravy on the bacon one. But that's my meatloaf.
Hi.
Mommy, I was looking at one of these on Amazon like 2 days ago.
Were you? You excited?
Oh, yeah. It's like kind of big old punching bag.
Ooh.
Yeah,
I got
excited.
stuff.
Ooh.
Oh, that's how about you that.
Oh gosh. How'd you know she wanted that thing?
What?
Oh gosh.
You got a Ninja Turtle thing?
Remember we can skate together.
Wait, hold on, man.
Let's just see. Let's see.
Here, what? Hold on, here. This is yours too.
Wow. Oh yeah, I need this. Oh yeah.
All right,
Mommy, I just knew I should have brought my.
In the car.
It's okay. You got my home.
In the car.
You got a car? Can I drive your car? Whose is this? No. This is one of the little boys. That's the little girl.
This is your pants. And it's full
What you got, guys?
In the car.
Four.
Oh, this one. Can you put that in my purse?
That's it.
Right there. No, right there, right there.
That's a transformer.
All right, now, Mira.
Look, it turned into a robot.
Thanks, Mira.
This is for your mom for my Shasha.
Man, this is wrapping is so cute. I don't want to mess it up.
Here, baby, get it.
It is a charger.
What's that charger to? And the car?
I'm gonna eat all of this.
Oh,
Wait a minute. Oh my stars.
Cake.
It's a mini waffle maker. I mean donut maker.
Cookies and stuff.
I got
Oh
a
my
mini.
stars.
I got a mini refrigerator today too.
oh, girl, you got a whole little kitchen there.
Yeah.
Here, Mom.
Okay, first.
Oh, okay.
And then my other closet to open the gate.
Can you open them skates? Yeah, right going in the carpet. That'll be great. When you go home, we might wear different stories.
Mommy, look.
Oh, we're gonna use that tomorrow.
Use that right now.
How you know I needed one of these?
What's them turtle steaks?
Yeah, something else.
Steaks?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Meatball. Thanks, Mira. You're welcome.
Yeah. That's why as a
You need help, man? You want some scissors? I was
No.
wondering what you were doing over here. I'm like,
I'm just trying to peek at it.
Hey, I can only do this, boy.
God bless America.
oh, you got the big dog air fryer.
Thank y'all so much. I really needed an air fryer.
Oh, it's lit. Take it off the box.
Do you think that there's a couple wings
Oh, that's right.
Leave it in.
I mean, I got $30 on there. What a whole little chicken wing.
Zero?
Couple corn and candy.
Why everybody scared of Cornish hens? Little bird. Thank y'all. The baby needed this. This is a parent's best friend, I promise you. Thank you so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed the content, click that bell, share, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Happy Vlogmas. Peace.